Welcome to Trend Hunter, the world's largest, most powerful trend platform. Today, I'm going to show you how top innovators like Nestle, Adidas, and Crayola use our custom trend platform to find better ideas faster. The Pro Dashboard is a specialized tool that gives you access to our full database of a couple 100,000 ideas, trackable topics, videos, premium pro trends, our full trend report library, and the insight we've gained from measuring billions of choices for more than 100 million people. You can customize your dashboard to find new products and services, explore curiosities, track competitors, validate assumptions, more deeply understand your consumer, and ultimately, to find better ideas faster. Every month, we publish a couple thousand new articles, so your dashboard updates hourly. Like Gmail, you can actually track and see how many new innovations have popped up since your last visit to your categories. And in each category, you can look at ideas, lists, videos, pro trends, or reports. If your team is looking for the latest packaging trends, for example, you can scan through hundreds of ideas related to packaging, or even browse through lists that we've already created. Advisory clients can filter results using our demographic toggles to help find exactly what they're looking for. This one, 18 Smart Packaging Innovations, shows you the cutting edge of packaging. If it's interesting to you, you can favorite it, bookmark it, print it, share it with your team, download the images, flip through a gallery, or see if any of the ideas are inspiring. When you find content that you like, you can organize it into lists that can be shared with your team. Each idea on the dashboard features demographic information and a score from 1 to 10 based on our metrics of freshness, activity, and popularity to help you make sense of its performance. Each example opens up a new article on the site with its own related content to ensure you're getting a very thorough look at the topic that you're exploring. The dashboard tool gives you full access to trendreports.com and hundreds of downloadable trend reports. Subscribers to our advisory service can conveniently access their custom monthly reports through the front page of the dashboard. Our reports come in both presentation files and also in expanded reading views. Our presentation file is something you can easily use to bring your team up to speed on the cutting edge. And of course, every single example hyperlinks to an article on the site so you can dive deeper and get inspiration all at the same time. Our e-learning section gives you access to thousands of keynote videos, which we've organized conveniently into courses. If, for example, you wanted to learn about social media, why not learn from people like Mark Zuckerberg? Our courses grant you access to some of the best keynote videos available online that have been crowdsourced by our Trend Hunter community. And of course, if you need help along the way, you can pair your platform with a dedicated advisor who will provide custom research at a fraction of the cost. Or come to our Epic Future Festival where you can experience the future while learning how to find better ideas faster.